Talking about the first year MBBS has already taken me to a nostalgia point because when people say that once you cross those phases and you don't have one, you really admire that phase, you get the importance of those phases, you understand why it was the most best phase of your life. And first year of MBBS is definitely that phase which is meant to be enjoyed the most. And for those who are entering this phase, I welcome you all to the next part of your journey. You have successfully conquered this NEET UGK race after all those stuffs that has gone through. And all the very best for your future endeavors now. And entering this phase would literally make you feel like it's overwhelming, you don't know how to proceed with it, and most of the questions going around it. So, I am here to make you enter this journey in a very smooth and a fruitful manner so that you are totally acquainted as to what's going to happen in your first year and how you should proceed about it. So, for those of you who don't know me, this is Anjali, and I have completed my MBBS from Government Medical College Baroda, that is in Gujarat. And I'm currently pursuing my MD Dermatology from AIIMS New Delhi. And this video is purely a nostalgia for me right now, and let's dive into it along with you. So, the first thing starts with कि how would your day look alike when you enter your first year? तो सबसे पहले मेरी कॉलेज में वी यूज टू हैव अ 9 to 5 का स्केड्यूल just like we have it here. अभी भी MD residency में भी I'm having the same schedule because I've taken dermatology. So it starts with 9 in the morning. 9 to 1 we used to have lectures of the various subjects you would be having in your first year. And then from 2 to 5 you would be having dissection halls या फिर कोई भी clinical subjects या फिर practicals basically. From 2 to 5 that is 3 hours का practicals, and in the morning you'll be having like 4 hours का lecture period. And frankly, this is the phase you will love the most. That is the lecture phase and the practical phase. Usually, you'll find people bunking the classes, but I would say that don't bunk the classes in first year because you'll get to interact with so many people. And although if you don't pay attention to your studies in the lectures, it's completely fine. I do not want you all to just again enter into another race from this very point of time. It's completely okay to have a relaxation period. I guess 2-3 महीने चल सकता है. You should have a relaxation period. You have already done so much of stuff and now it's time to relax definitely. And you'll get so many of acquaintances in this period. So I would say कि please, पढ़ो या ना पढ़ो, जाओ 9 to 1 to your lecture hall. The next thing that comes up with that is 2 to 5 का practical period. Now this is something that I would like to say कि इसको attend करना is important. एनाटॉमी की डिसेक्शन हॉल्स होंगे, बायोकेमिस्ट्री के लैब्स होंगे, फिजियोलॉजी में या हेमाटोलॉजी के लैब्स या क्लिनिकल फिजियोलॉजी होगा या एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजियोलॉजी होगा. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट गोना कम बैक अगेन. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो तुम्हारा बेस, द फाउंडेशन, द बेसिस ऑफ योर फर्दर स्टेप्स बनाएंगी. And this is something that is not going to repeat in any of the years preceded from after the first year. So you should remember that even if you don't pay attention to your lectures, even if you don't study, that's completely okay. But not paying attention to these clinicals is something that will cost you later. Because anatomy ki dissection halls mein, when you actually see what are the relations of the liver, what are the relations of the kidney, how is the gross anatomy of the abdomen looks like, how is the chest looking like, how is the arrangement of alveolar या bronchial walls या जो भी होती हैं from front to back या फिर from superior to inferior is something that it gets impregnated into you once you see them off. So this is something that I usually tell to the first years कि please कुछ करो या ना करो, give importance to your practicals. Secondly, physiology labs. I think they are the best. I mean, clinical physiology would love the most. BP instruments कैसे use करना is something that comes up the very first thing into my mind when we first went to it. And I remember कि when we were told about the palpatory method कि you have to just feel the pulse and then take the BP. And I did not feel the pulse at all. I just knew कि BP का normal value is around 120/80. So yeah, I'll manage on something like that. And if that value comes up, I will say कि हाँ pulse बंद हो गई है. So I remember many of the facts that we used to do it at that time कि ठीक है नहीं समझ आ रहा. Something really gonna be fun doing that time and you will love it. But these are the skills that you will learn in the very first year itself, and you should know it because these are integral part. You should know how to do it. Biochemistry ke labs were very fun basically because for you see color changes, you see reactions when you mix two things, it suddenly turns out to be a salt, and you see bubbles coming out, you see reactions, all of them happening simultaneously, and you will love that phase. But the most important, the most lovable practical that I had was anatomy dissection. एंड जब पहला दिन होता है वी ऑल वर रियली एक्साइटेड. आई मीन सब नाश्ता पेट भर के करके आए थे. वी वर जस्ट टोल्ड कि प्लीज़ हैव फुल ब्रेकफास्ट. यू माइट फील vertigo kind of things there. You might feel nauseated, vomiting, stuffs that would happen at that time when you see the cadaver. But frankly, I would tell ki none of us, I mean, I don't know what kind of people we were, but none of us had that feeling. We were just enjoying that phase. And just please respect your cadaver, because that's a person who died and has given his body for your anatomy to know, for you to help other people to know. So you should respect the cadaver and please use it the most efficiently, because cadaver is going to be your first teacher and the best teacher to teach you anatomy, because anatomy is that one subject which pisses off every student while preparing for INI CAT. So for those students who would be looking forward for it, just please pay attention to your anatomy dissection halls fruitfully. Now the next thing comes up is what are the subjects that you will read in first year. So there are 3 subjects basically: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Now for anatomy, the most widely accepted textbook is B.D. Chaurasia. You can go to read about the Grey's Anatomy. I think that is something which is meant for enthusiastic students, but yeah, totally up to you. I'm not trying to say that something. I'm just trying to say कि मैं उतनी enthusiastic नहीं थी, so I went on with B.D. Chaurasia and that was too good. For physiology, I referred to A.K. Jain. And preferentially, physiology was one subject which was always ignored by me because, 11th, 12th mein tum padhte aa rahe ho. You don't need to actually, have so much of your brains applied into your physiology. But that was the thing that created a havoc for me, because during my final examination also I ignored it, and that was the subject which I scored the less marks. And frankly, that was the kind of irritating thing for me, because physiology is that one subject where you are supposed to score the best and I scored the least. So please do not completely ignore this subject, taking into consideration that it is one of the subjects that you already know something about it, right? Now the third thing that comes up is biochemistry, which I did it from Vasudevan. There are many good textbooks of biochemistry like Harper and Lippincott. Personally, I was not comfortable with the kind of languages that is given into those textbooks. They're basically brilliant textbooks. But Vasudevan was something which was very comforting to me, so that was the subject that I preferred. And personally, I would say that I haven't been fond of using standard textbooks in my first year itself. I was just looking forward for my IMPs in my university examinations to pass through the examination. That is it. But if you're really keen enough and enthusiastic enough, reading textbooks is definitely giving a better edge over everything. But it's not the only thing that if you don't go through standard textbooks, you wouldn't land into some good rank. I mean, I'm the best example. I haven't been into standard textbooks and still I got a good rank. So, yeah. Now, the next very important question that I have been facing on my Instagram is, ma'am, what should we do to start our NEET PG race from the very first day of your first year? I mean, wait, just give yourself a pause. Just saying it and doing it is the toughest task of this complete journey. It is going to be very exhaustive if you stretch it from the very first year, like 6 years bang down to this journey would be the toughest part of your life. So, considering my thoughts, I would say don't start your journey at this particular early phase. I mean, this is going to be a very hell competitive race and you shouldn't enter this race at this very early juncture. It is meant to be started from third year, final year. That's the best time to start your preparation, but not first and second year. Bhai, maze kar lo जीवन में. इतना कष्ट करके you have cleared this NEET PG examination after so much of havoc that has been going through this examination since the past 3 to 4 years. And now since you've finally made it and you're the hero of your town currently, everyone's topic is just you. So you should enjoy a part of it and not try to drag yourself into this race. So please do not buy any platform starting from the very first year or the second year. If you still want it, you can try it from the third year. You can buy it from the third year, but not before that. Personally, what I feel is not before that. Personally. And regarding PG preparation, just don't worry about it. Just keep your basics. That is what I told you. Ki practicals mein dhyan do, that's it. You don't have to just drag yourself into this race from the very first day. And trust me, I'm not misleading you into this. So now you must be thinking that you have so much of time. Not into this NEET PG race, nothing like that. In a full world where you are the hero of the town, you have so much of time and energy to invest into yourself. Yes, you rightly heard it. ये बेस्ट टाइम होगा जब तुम्हें खुद पे ध्यान देने का मौका मिलेगा, to explore about yourself, to explore about the kind of things you want in your life. I mean, singing, dancing, sports, activities. Eventually, you can start vlogging as well, vlogging YouTube videos, inspiration for people around you, and many things. I mean, that's one of the best ways. I mean, I personally regret कि मुझे क्यों नहीं पता था इसके बारे में, because I love being in front of the camera and I would have really cherished that moment as well. But कोई बात नहीं, लेट ही सही, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. So I would want you to please explore and invest into yourself. This is the best time to learn about yourself, to know about yourself. You know, life में कोई एक चीज़ ही करते रहना is not that important. You should have multiple sources of income. You should have multiple sources of looking at things. You should have multiple hobbies and investments into yourself, like hitting the gym, going for sports activities, you know, basketball सीखना, football सीखना, and badminton सीखना. I mean, many games out there which you should try and invest yourself into it and just love it. Try engaging into this annual fest जो होंगे वहाँ पे different activities होती हैं, artistic, cultural and everything. Just do it. It's the best moment of your life, because usually, you know, people complain that MBBS is such a wreck. You know, you need to study the whole of your life. You don't know how to do it. And people usually complain about it. This was the waste of time. This was the waste of energy. This was the waste of the resource I had. I would have been into some other field. I would have done excellently well. But trust me, this is for those people who really did not knew how to invest their time specifically. अरे यही तो वक्त है. This is the time when you need to enjoy. I mean, in any of the field, माना कि MBBS is 6 years long. That's a damn very big period. But तुम्हें आना चाहिए कि तुम्हें कैसे enjoy करना है तुम्हारे life को. And यही वो time है जब तुम खुद से enjoy कर सकते हो. Your peak of adolescence is here and you should enjoy it to your fullest. नीट पीजी जब शुरू होगा तब पढ़ने बैठ जाना, बट अभी तुम्हारा टाइम एंजॉय करने का, एंड फ्रैंकली यू शुड एंजॉय दिस टू इट्स पीक. डू यू गेट इट? And lastly, I think this is the most important query as to why you have come to this video, because many of the students who just messaged me and said me ki ma'am, I'm barely getting into a GMC. I always wanted to be a Namesonian. My parents are saying that I should take a drop. I'm getting a peripheral GMC and I'm just kind of in a dilemma. What should I do? Or should I just put in so much from the very first year and get into AIIMS in my PG attempt? Please give yourself space, time. Give yourself the space to breathe. I understand that you had a dream. Even I had a dream. I have been from a peripheral GMC. But I never was into that thought process कि यार UG में नहीं हुआ, PG में फोड़ देंगे. It did come. It did come. But it came at a point where it was needed. It was needed. Get that. मेरे फाइनल ईयर के एंड में या फिर जब मेरा फाइनल ईयर स्टार्ट हो रहा था, दैट वाज द टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट या आई नीड टू हैव this particular dream that was instilled into my mind from the very first time, and this is the time I could prove it again, which I was not able to do it in my UG days. So I think this is something that you should keep instilled in yourself, a bit suppressed for the moment right now, and just leave everything and leave it in the best possible manner. This life, this time, is not gonna repeat again. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जो भी तुम्हारे बैकलॉग्स हैं, जो भी तुम्हारे ड्रीम्स हैं जो पूरे नहीं हो पाए हैं, that will get that time when it's needed. Currently, it's your time to enjoy yourself, to boost yourself, to know about yourself. And I'm telling you, I am there along with you into your preparation journey. And I guarantee you on this, ki if you started from the first year or be it from the third year, if you are persistent enough, a third year started person can crack better than the person who have started from first year. So अगर तुम्हारे अंदर ये चाह है, be it your first gen doctor, be it the pressure among your family members around your family regarding your preparation and regarding your successful journey, stop, think, breathe, enjoy for the next 2 years of your life, and then get into this race. So all the very best. Hope I have cleared most of your doubts, and hope to see you on the other side of the table after 6 years. Until that time, just enjoy being with me on my journey, and see you. Bye bye.